Hi, I'm Dan, and this is my wife Bree, along with our two dogs, Penny and Bella. For the last 12 years, we have traveled the west coast of the USA and the north and the south islands of New Zealand. We have found ourselves after 19 moves here in South Lake Tahoe, where we have bought a home, and we feel very fortunate to be here. Please come along and enjoy our adventures. Welcome to Tahoe Mountain Life. Hello, Bella. Good girl. Yeah? Well, it did happen. It is now raining. Alright, so it's about 6 a.m. on Sunday, February 4th, the day the storm's supposed to really kick in. Last night when I looked at things, I think it was really supposed to start about 5, 6 a.m. and it's just after 6, so I would expect maybe we have an inch or two outside. Let's get them outside before it gets too crazy. Yeah, that looks about just right. So it looks the storm came in as expected. You can see Penny's covered just after a couple minutes outside. It is now 8 a.m. and it's kind of been a slow start, but now it's starting to pick up again. Alright, so I need to run to the store real quick to grab something for Bree. So I guess we're going to get a look to see what's happened in the first couple hours of this storm. Good 3-4 inches on the ground already here in the neighborhood. Do a pretty good job keeping these main roads clear. Pioneer as clear as could be. Wow, it is really coming down. I think, interestingly, I think to start this storm was going to be light with the winds, but I think this afternoon the winds are going to really pick up here. Yeah, everything looks super clean. Crews have been doing an amazing job. I usually don't like to do this where I have to drive out in this kind of a storm, but well, since I had to go run to the store real quick, I'm also going to drop something off at a friend's house before this storm gets too crazy. And it is really coming down here. It is already getting deep out here. We're 8:48 in the morning. Let's just bring you out for a closer look. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, it's a good 6 inches out here. See the winds picking up. You see all these kind of big chunks of snow getting blown out of the trees already at this point. So it's pretty crazy because where I was just at to drop off something to one of my friends was only like, I think 2.5, 3 miles away, but the difference from being closer to the crest and us a little further away is at least 4 to 5, maybe 6 inches. Well, I just got back inside and took a quick look at the updated forecast from Open Snow, and unfortunately this storm is not going to deliver again like they thought it would be. For what they were expecting for the forecast, you can drop a foot off of the snow totals. So I'm not going to lie, I'm definitely sad that we're not going to get the massive storm that they were saying we would, mainly because I just wanted the base for all of, for sledding at the house, for the ski resorts. I just wanted that base to improve so you didn't have to worry about hitting stuff off-piste. All right, so at 11 a.m., we're up to this almost 6-inch mark. So up, I think we said 3 inches yesterday, so up 3 inches. All right, we're gonna go have a check on the backyard and see if there's any chance we're gonna be sledding later today. It's possible. The snow has definitely changed. It's getting a little bit warmer, and I think this is what you call grapple. Hopefully we don't go to rain. That would be nice. Hello, Bella. Good girl. Yeah? Okay.
It's snowing. Oh, no, hang on. Bella.
Well, it did happen. It is now raining. It's 2:42 and it's just raining. So I know the higher peaks will be fine, but man, when we thought we were gonna get a couple feet, 2 to 3 feet, and now it's raining, it's sad.